What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Brink of Speed and I am Mike, and this is another 60-second video Wednesday. So as you can see here, this is my PDR camera, and this is the number 2 thing that I absolutely think GM could have done better on, and big time they could have done better. All they had to do was put a 1080p camera in this thing instead of a 720p, and actually put it somewhere that was kind of clear to see out of. But that is it. That is the second thing that I think GM should have done way better with this car. And guys, as always, make sure and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell button next to it. And I hope to see you guys out on the road. See you next Wednesday for the 60-second video.